In India, Brixton, an Austrian motorcycle manufacturer, has partnered with motorcycle manufacturer KAW Veloce to launch the Brixton Crossfire 500X Scrambler motorcycle. This motorcycle is a perfect match for scrambler motorcycles. The company has changed the design of all the other motorcycles it has ever made. This is going to be a futuristic scrambler motorcycle equipped with the latest and contemporary technology, and riders will absolutely love the design and features that Brixton has to offer. The great headlights will grab people's attention on the road and make people stare at it every time they pass by. Though the Brixton Crossfire 500X is available in only one variant, there are 3 awesome color options. Also, the company kept the rider's height in mind while making this bike because scrambler bikes usually have a high saddle, which makes it difficult for short riders to ride comfortably and confidently. However, Brixton Company has kept the saddle height low for short riders. The bike has large front and rear tires to provide stability while riding at high speeds. The Brixton Crossfire 500X has more advanced and modern features and technology that will make it easy to control in any condition. The small LCD digital instrument console of this bike displays various features, including speed, trip, total mileage, neutral, low fuel indicator, low battery indicator, and clock. Apart from the round LED headlight and circular DRL, this bike has a small LED indicator size that enhances the look of the bike, and this is the first time the company has used this type of small indicator. This bike has a striped LED taillight on the rear side, and its fuel tank can hold 13.5 liters. The muscular and sturdy front and rear profiles of the Brixton Crossfire 500X will attract attention. The headlight is round and has the Brixton Company basing in the middle. The headlight panel shows the directions as north, south, west, and east, and the round DRL gives this bike an attractive look from the front. It has a tail light with thin lines that look beautiful when it shines. It has a very nice small instrument console with a round shape. The rear and front fenders have a matte and glossy black finish. The Brixton Crossfire 500X has tubeless tires. The front tire size of 120 millimeters and the rear tire size of 160 millimeters, along with the 17-inch spoked rims mounted on the outside, enhance the look of the bike and give it a scrambler feel. The bike has many high-quality switches, including turn signals, hazard lights, engine stop switch, horn switch, and indicators. The bike has levers that can be adjusted to fit one's palm. The bike has a Bosch ABS system and is equipped with front and rear tires with single disc brakes. With a capacity of 486 cubic centimeters, the Brixton Crossfire 500X has the most powerful engine with a 4-stroke, DOHC, 4-valve per cylinder and BS6 liquid-cooled engine. The liquid-cooled engine keeps the engine cool and provides more stable performance. The engine has a maximum power of 47.58 PS at 8,500 RPM and a maximum torque of 43 Nm at 6,750 RPM.